Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Brave's Diva, Angels Among Us, and Cheeky CH24 plate. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is gorgeous. Angels Among Us. It's just pink heaven right here. I'm loving this one. So I've got my base coat on and dry. I am going to go in with my first coat here. Excellent formula. Amazing with all those hollow glitters. I'm in love. Yep. I'm going to cap my free edge real quick. God, this is just yummy, pink-licious. Loving it. So, hi Woody, how you doing? Got a little business to take care of. And here we go with our second coat. Just yummy. Y'all just know I can't get enough pink polish. Love pink polish. So there we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. Always love the playing. Got to get that free edge capped with the top coat. And here we go. There we go. Here's a swatch photo of it all on its own. See that shimmer in it also. Here is Cheeky CH24. I'll be stamping with Brave's Diva on the black, my Conad stamper, and my beauty scraper. I've also got my Burt's Bees Cuticle cream on. And I'll be using that sticky base from the Pro FX. So I decided to do a French tip design today. I don't do them very often. It's because I have issues lining them up, but I'm never going to get any better if I don't practice, right? So I'm going to turn this stamper around and try to line this rascal up. I love the little heart image on this one. That's just too cute. I'm doing some tapping there. Trying to get that to stick down. Not on there perfect, but it'll do. My grandmother used to say that a lot. It'll do. It'll do. So here we go again. I keep wanting to just stamp it straight down, but I have to turn it around and look at it. It's the only way I can even come close to getting it on there good. And here we go again. A little bit more. I always think pink and black look good together. And pink and gray, and you know, pink goes to me with a lot of things. So there we go. Okay, so I missed a little bit on the edge, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that polish with the brush. I kind of scraped most of it off, and I'm just going to kind of fill that in. A little out of frame there again. I'm going to go over to the other side and do it too. And go across the end there. Just kind of straighten it up a little bit. Just straighten that up. There we go. And now for the pinky nail. Yay. Always love it when I can get to the end of a manicure and it not be a struggle bus situation. I did change stampers to my AliExpress little cube stamper. And that one is way wonky, but you know what? And we ain't redoing it. So I'm going to top this with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Just kind of going over the stamped part. I'm not going over the whole nail. And now I'm going to top it with some Poshe. And we're going to call this one Finished. Love me some glossy top coat. So nice. So there we go. Cap that free edge again. So, oh, there's Woody. Hey, how you doing? So there it is in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this manicure of mine. I would love to hear from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.